Need to fix apps not downloading on App Store on your iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, you have to check the internet speed. Move into Safari and search for fast.com. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is working in good condition. The next thing you want to do is to toggle on the airplane mode and then turn it off after a few seconds. Once done, try connecting to your Wi-Fi once again. You can also try using cellular data. After that, move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to head over to Apps. In this page, simply search for the application App Store and move into it. You have to make sure all of these options are toggled on: app downloads, app updates, and also in-app content. Once done, now go back to the previous page of settings and then head over to General. Head over to iPhone storage. You have to make sure that you have enough space in order for you to download other application. If not, simply clear it out. Well, if you do not have enough space, then simply head over to the application that's consuming a lot of space. Simply delete the application if you do not need it right away. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.